Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today's video is going to be very interesting and I hope you all will like this. Okay, let's check out another, maybe you can consider this to be an art of code or just like a simulator which we are creating today. Okay, yeah, so it's Outbreak Simulator. Okay, let's see what is this Outbreak Simulator and what exactly we have to do. Even I don't know. Okay, I'm just doing it along with you guys. Okay, let's see. This is a challenge for me, and yeah, let's see if I can complete this challenge or no. Okay, so let's check out how to navigate through that is whenever you're opening your code.org, right? So you can see your dashboard. If you're on my dashboard, you will see this. When you click on course catalog, then you'll be redirected to this page where you have this, right? We have R of code tutorials, so view more R of code tutorials here, right? So you can just scroll down to see this one, Outbreak. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this. It's like you can consider this to be like a maybe COVID pandemic situation which happened, right? So just related to that kind of a thing, right? So Outbreak Simulator. Okay, code your own simulation basically, right? So let's see how we have to do it. And yeah, before that, let's see and set up the story for this, and then we'll continue. Okay, so welcome to Monster Town. Monster Town was usually a happy and healthy place. Okay, the monsters of Monster Town love to wander around to visit their friends. One day, one of the monsters started feeling sick. The monster had caught a virus. Okay, a virus is a tiny germ that can make you sick. The other monsters were not too worried. They kept visiting their friends. Okay, so soon after, two more monsters got sick. It was the same virus. It seems they got the virus from their friend. Okay, so the virus slowly spread to other monsters who were nearby. The healthy monsters began to worry that they were all gonna get sick. The sick monsters began to worry that they were going to give the virus to everyone else. Okay, so stopping the spread. Fortunately, after studying the virus, the neighbors of the monster town made an important discovery. They realized that they were very less likely to spread the virus if they wore masks over their mouths. Okay, with face masks on, sick monsters were less likely to give the virus to healthy monsters. So what will happen next? We have to do it. Okay. So today you're gonna create write code to create and run your own simulation of the virus outbreak at Monster Town. Okay. A simulation is a computer model of a processor system, right? Like you're just simulating the real world scenario into a small page, right? That is what a simulator all about, right? So, like replicating the real world situation into something which is a non realistic thing, right? That is simulation. Learn to code and make predictions about what will happen to the neighbors of the monster town. Okay. How quickly will the virus spread? Will everyone get sick? How will face masks help? When you're finished, share your simulation with others. Share your message about what you think we can do to help keep others healthy when a virus comes to town, right? So we just have to think of all these and let's see how it's gonna be, right? Story is absolutely set up, and we went through all of this, right? Yeah. Now it's a bit less. We are considering these viruses and all. Yeah, the pandemic situation has actually got settled, and yeah, it's subsided, right? But let's see and understand what exactly we're going to do in our outbreak simulator, right? Continue. I'm just clicking on continue to go to the next activity. Let's see what it has to give. I'm surprised. I don't know what it's going to give me. Okay, outbreak simulator introduction. Maybe they'll just set up the same story in front of us, right? So I really don't want to see this video, but yeah, if you want, you like if you wanna, like this kind of a story thing build up and all, and then you wanna go ahead with this, yeah. So you can absolutely watch the video, no issues at all, right? So let's just see and understand what exactly we have to create. Come on. Okay. So creating a simulation. Okay. Today you're gonna write code so you can run your own simulation of the virus outbreak at Monster Town. First, we'll bring Monster Town to life by creating sprites to represent the monsters. Write your code in the workspace, then press run to see your simulation. If you need any help, click the light bulb for a hint. So make sprites to represent 10 healthy monsters and one sick monster. Sprites are the characters on the screen that can move, change, or interact with each other. Absolutely know this, and we have been creating this so far, right? So I don't really think you have any questions regarding this, right? Then set the size of the sprites to 50 and make them all begin wandering. Okay, press run. You should see sprites moving around like the animation to the right. So it's something like this you have to create. Okay, yeah, let's quickly create it. So we just have to make 10 healthy monsters, one sick monster, and set the sprite size to 50, make them wander. Okay, so this is all we have to do. Come on, let's do it. Okay, we have background color set up already. So make a sprite, make 10 new sprites, healthy sprites basically, right? So then make one new sprite which is non-healthy. Okay, and then we have to set all sprite size to 50. Okay, then we have to set up behavior. So sprite begins all sprites wandering. Okay, whoa. Okay, we almost completed this activity. Let's run it. Yeah, the wandering. Okay, so they're slowly wandering, and we've created healthy monsters and a sick monster. Let's see, continue. So this is like the pandemic itself, right? So we're just simulating that situation in this small game. Okay, or you can consider this to be an animation, right? So outbreak simulator events, we already know about events, right? We need not see any video for this, but yes, absolutely, if you're new or if you don't know, you can absolutely watch these videos if you're liking these videos and you want to see the story build up and all. Yeah, click here to expand the block. Okay, so you can just actually click here to expand the block with these things, right? So I'm just clicking on minus for now. Let's just see what exactly we have to do after this, right? Okay. So, one of the monsters caught a virus. Yeah. When a healthy monster touches a sick monster, it becomes sick too. Okay. To make something happen when two sprites touch, we'll use this event block when sprite touches sprite. Okay. So notice that you can open this block with the blue plus icon on the left side with this icon. Okay. So what do we have to do? Use the subject block inside to change the healthy monsters into sick monsters when they touch each other. Okay. Okay. So this was the code which we set up in the earlier level, right? And when this touches this, so let's click on this subject, change subject to costume this. That means he is also getting sick whenever he is touching the sick sprite. Okay. Let's check this out. Let's run. Oh my God. You can see it's spreading like virally, right? Oh my God. Come in contact, get the virus. Come in contact and get the virus. You could see that it was like a wild spread, right? Almost all the sprites on our screen got attacked with that. Okay, let's check out what's the next activity. Um, okay, stopping the outbreak with masks. One way to slow down an outbreak is to wear a mask, right? Monsters with face masks will be unable to get the virus and give it to others. To make something happen when a type of monster is clicked, you can use a new type of event block. Okay, so do this. So this is our activity basically, right? So use a when clicked block with the change costume block to give healthy monsters a mask when they are clicked. Repeat this for sick monsters. Okay. basically what you have to do when clicked block you have to use, right, with the change costume block. Okay, so for healthy monsters we can actually give a mask when they are clicked, right? So, and for the sick monsters also, we can actually repeat the same thing. Okay. So press run and begin rapidly clicking the monsters. Try to slow or stop the outbreak by putting a mask on all the monsters. Okay. Let's check out. So this was the earlier levels code, and now we have to do this. When this is clicked, right, what exactly we have to do? So we just have to go to behaviors. So what was asked? Change costume, right? Okay. Change costume to this costume. Okay, change subject. Okay, change clicked to this costume basically with the mask thing. Okay, and we also have to do the same thing for this, right? So change costume of this clicked thing. Okay, to this thing. Okay, so from this they will change to masked one, and from this it will change to masked one. Okay, we have to try and click it quickly, that we have to reduce the spread. So first I'll click on this and then we'll try clicking on the other sprites. Let's do it quickly. Come on, we can do it, we can do it, we can do it, we can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes, we could do that, right? Okay, great. So let's continue. Let's see what's this level all about. Okay, more monsters. Oh my god, just see this. So new monsters are moving into Monster Town. What will this mean for the outbreak? Let's use the simulation to make predictions. Okay. Change the number of monster sprites you make by editing this block. Okay. Change the size of the sprites by editing this block. Okay. Run the new simulation 3 to 5 times. Did anything happen differently? So let's check out. So we just have to increase the number of sprites maybe. So I'll just say 50 sprites. Okay. And then we have to change the size to maybe like 40 or 30. I think this is fine, right? Let's see. I mean, we have to be quick while clicking this, right? Let's run. Come on, 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 come on. I don't know how many I can click. Oh my god. Now create at least one sick monster sprite using this. Okay, already it's there now. However, let's just create some 10 6 sprites. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh my god, come on. I have, we have to be very quick. We have to be very quick. We have to first mask them. Mask, 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 mask. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I don't know. These are just changing my healthy monsters. Oh my god. No, no, my healthy monster should be healthy only. I don't want my other monsters to be healthy. Please be healthy only. Oh my god. See this. They all have become very sick. I couldn't save them. I couldn't save them. We changed the number of monster sprites already, right? Let's change it to 60 and check now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I don't know how many sprites I'm just clicking upon. So it's just like randomly I'm just clicking on them so that at least some of the sprites will get those masks on, right? I'm just I don't know if I'm clicking on those. I can't see the masks on. Come on, guys. You're just making healthy sprites into the worst kind of a sprite. They are becoming sick because of you, you dumbos. Okay, okay, come on, come on. I don't know. I really don't know what am I doing. I mean, okay, I have one healthy sprite here. I think I'm done. I'm done with this now. All healthy are healthy now. Yes, I could maximum try doing this. Let's continue. Let's see what's the next level gonna be. It's very hard, right? It's very hard to click on the sprites and get those masks on. I don't know what's this gonna be. This is gonna be surprising for me, yeah, because I'm just doing it along with you all guys now. So think like a scientist, okay?
Now that you have your simulation running and have observed how masks and population changes affect the spread of the virus, it's time to think more like a scientist.
Mm-hmm.
In the next part of the activity, you'll see how things like recovery, chance, and vaccines can change the outcome of each simulation run.
Okay. Almost we just understood, right? I mean, let's not waste more time. I'm so, I'm so excited to complete this thing now. So this icon means that this level is a part of a larger project. We were doing the same thing before. Why are you showing us now? Changes will be saved across these levels. Okay, just do that. Let's see. Good news. Monsters can now start to feel better on their own. Sick monsters that begin recovering will automatically change back to a healthy monster after some time passes. How do you think this will affect the outbreak? Okay. Run the simulation a few more times. Did anything happen differently? Okay. So they'll start recovering, it seems. Yeah. So we just have to run it and check, just like clicking on it, mask them basically. So I'm just doing the same. Let's see, will they recover soon? Don't spread the virus at all. Yeah, they're recovering. Oh my God. Finish. That was nice. That's cool. Let's continue. We saw recovery, right? Now I think we'll be seeing the chance maybe because yeah, chance. So in the video she was telling us, right? So right now it's impossible for monsters to give or get the virus if either of them is wearing a mask, right? This sounds great, but it's not really that simple. Yes, of course it's not really that simple, right? We should add a chance or probability for the virus to spread each time any two monsters touch. We can model the chance of getting the virus off these nodes. Okay, like you can see how face masks affect the monster town outbreak. So healthy, sick, chance. So healthy and sick if they touch each other very high, right? So this masked healthy and sick high, like without the mask, this thing, like masked thing, low. Both are masked, then very low. This is how the chances are gonna be, right? Yeah, this looks pretty simple, right? Yes, and that's pretty obvious too, correct? So add this logic block under the when touches event and set it to a very high chance. Okay. So add more events that include monsters wearing masks and give each a different person chance. Uh, Click the light bulb for a hint if you're not sure which events are needed. Press finish when you're ready to move on. Okay. So like we already have the event blocks here, right? So when this touches this, right? So basically, let's go to logic and get this. So very high chance, right? We can also check it here. So you can see healthy and unmasked healthy and unmasked sick. Okay. So we're just changing the costume because the very high chance is there. Okay. I think we just have to use this logic sprite and nothing else, right? So then where's another event? Okay. So mast and this thing, right? Is it like this we have to do? Very high chance. Okay. Then let's go to logic and get this. So let's go to events and get this. When a healthy one touches the this thing, so it's a high chance, not very high chance basically. What's the high chance? So then what's going to be the next one? So it's like this, like unmasked and masked. Okay. So his unmasked and his masked. Okay. So it's like his having a low chance. It's a low chance. Okay. Then just then what's going to be the next event? Last event is very low. Both are masked. Okay, masked and very low chance. Okay. So we have set up this thing here, but what do we have to set up in this, right? I wonder. Let's run and check. Okay. Most probably they become healthy. I mean, they have become healthy, right? But what are these very high, low, and all are doing? I wonder what they're doing. Inside this, if we place something, maybe then something should happen, right? I think here, let's check this out once. Add this logic block under this event and set it to a very high chance. Add more events that include monsters wearing masks. Change the probability. That's it. I mean, they just have asked this thing, right? Nothing else they have asked for. So let's just click on finish, continue. Now it's time for vaccinations. Let's just see what's gonna, yeah, vaccines. Yes. Vaccines can protect monsters from getting a virus. These monsters will not get sick at all. Next, you'll create a new sprite costume to represent monsters who got a vaccine. Okay. Learn how to modify a sprite costume. Once the new costume is ready, find a way to work it into your program. For example, you can change mass monsters into vaccinated monsters when they are clicked. Okay. Sprites. So when they are clicked, we have to change them into. So basically, let's click on this. To modify a costume, change the costumes tab and okay, duplicate, choose the primary color for drawing, okay, change the paint bucket tool, okay. So first we have to get the costume ready, okay. So let's click on costumes. So, okay, cool. So I'll just click on this to duplicate this, okay. Now after duplicating this, let's see how to design this. So what do you think? How shall we just style this? Maybe I'm just taking up this paint bucket tool. we'll just put a dot on him, right? So let's just take a this kind of a color. I mean, I don't know why I'm taking this, but yeah, I just want to take this. Okay. So not fill bucket. So I'm using a pen tool, pen size bigger. I'll just like after voting we'll get that blue color thing, right? Likewise, after vaccinating, I'm just putting this thing on both the hands. I hope this should be okay, right? and let's give a band like kind of a thing. They're vaccinated. So I'm just doing this. I don't know why I'm doing this, but yeah, I just want to do this. They're heroes, so they're heroes now. Okay. Uh, I think this is good. This is good, right? So they're heroes, no? So like this, like this, like this. I mean, I'm just getting mad at this now. Okay, I don't know why. Uh, let's place a red thing on his stomach. Wow, I don't know why I'm doing this. I really don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm just putting a plus sign because they're vaccinated. Got the vaccines. Okay, let's click on code and let's start coding. I don't know. Let's see and continue the activity now, right? Next, after creating the costume, what do we have to do? Find a way to work it into your program. Okay. For example, you can change masked monsters into vaccinated monsters when they are clicked. Okay. So when they are clicked, we can change them to okay. When masked monsters are clicked, right? So go to events, get this one. When masked monster is clicked, we just gonna get this change costume block. Okay, change this thing into this thing hero. Okay, um, I think yeah. Shall we do the same thing for the other one also? Um, even those who are sick and who are masked, I don't think we have to do it for this one. Yeah, I'm not doing it for this. Oh wow, wow. Come on, Ed. Get clicked, man. They do not get sick now. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. They're vaccinated now. They're vaccinated now. Cool. I don't really know, but yeah, this looks good, right? I don't know. I'm liking it. So let's click on finish. Let's continue doing this. So we're almost in the end now. We can create our own simulation, maybe, or they have something to do. The last level is definitely gonna be something. It's free play. It's free play time.
Right.
So I think we have to think of something and do it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just see what next we have to do after the costume. Right. This was a free play thing, right? Mini project outbreak simulator. Okay. So, and a message with the word, what have you learned from this activity? What do you hope others will learn? The print statement block displays text on the screen while your simulation runs. Use it to tell the user how your simulation works or to share a message, right? So you can actually show this thing after the game, like print click the sprites to give them mass, and you can also print mass help slow the spread of viruses and all, right? Let's just do, let's click on flip. I mean, just let's create something. Yeah, so let's create our own version of the simulator. Okay, let's see what exactly we can do. This was all we have created already, right? So I'm just not gonna really concentrate on this or do something like this, right? So you can absolutely do that however you wish to do it, okay? But I'm just, like just writing the print statements, and I'll just end this one, okay? But yeah, you absolutely can create, use your creativity and improve this more, okay? So maybe I'll just see if I can copy something from here. Okay. Okay. Click the sprites to give them mass. Yeah. So click the sprites to give them mass. Okay. So then at 10 seconds, we can say something else now. So when masked sprite is clicked, we are actually giving the vaccine costume, right? Yeah, when, okay. Mask help slow the spread of the virus. Okay. And then at 15 seconds, at 15 seconds, so let's just write, click on mask spreads to get them vaccinated. Okay. Click on the mask spreads to get them vaccinated. Okay. Yes. Let's check out. Yeah, we can. That's already coming to a recovery stage. Yeah. So we can click on the sprites to get them vaccinated. You can also see the print messages are being given. Yeah. So you can make everyone vaccinated basically with double click on them. Yeah, with a double click. I think now everyone are becoming healthy. Cool. Got it. So it's nice, right? So this is all. Like you can actually give more things. You can add more, and you can explore more. Okay. So do something creatively and do submit that in the comment section below, right? I would definitely love to see all your projects, and definitely I would definitely learn something from them if you are really creative and doing something really great. Okay. Yes. And for that one project which you're sharing with me, if that is good, then I will be showing that in my next video. Okay. So please do share and comment in the comment section below for getting in my next video. Okay. So this is free play here, right? You can absolutely do whatever you want. Okay. So if you want, you can actually share this project with everyone. Okay. We hope like you will be sharing this. So they're just sharing, I mean, mentioning the same thing. So we finished the tutorial. Many changes, make any changes or improvements to your project that you would like, right? Press the share button at the top of the page to send your projects to your friends and family. Okay. Not only this, like, yeah, I was telling you, you can also share it with me, right? So that I can show that same thing to all our students in the Folks Hub family. Okay. So, yes, this was all about our today's session. If you've not been watching my previous videos yet, please do go back to my channel and do watch all of them. Okay. So, if you're starting off with any playlist, start off with the first video always, right? So, just see them or in a sequence basically. Why? Because you'll be understanding the concepts and the content easily. Okay. So, yeah. And please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Have. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, guys. Have a great day, all.